Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I am from AJAX. So today onwards, we will learn about jQuery. So why we have to learn jQuery in 2024, and those questions I have created some 10 points. We will look at the 10 points and we will start learning jQuery today onwards. Yeah, let's get into the class. So the first point is DOM manipulation. jQuery simplifies the process of selecting and manipulating HTML elements, making it easier to manage the structure and content of web pages. Making it easier to manage the structure and content of web pages, which means with the use of jQuery, we can select and we can manipulate the HTML elements and we can manage the structure and content of the web pages. We can change the web pages, which means manage is nothing but we can change the structure of the web pages. And event handling. jQuery provides a simple and efficient way to handle events such as clicks, mouse overs, and key presses, which is essential for interactive web development. Which is essential for interactive web development. So event handling is also we will learn in the jQuery. And AJAX support. So jQuery built-in support for AJAX, asynchronous JavaScript and XML, allows for efficient and easy handling of data from servers, enhancing the user experience. And we can so it means jQuery is built-in support for AJAX. So jQuery will support for AJAX. It is a asynchronous JavaScript and XML. So we can handle the data from the servers and enhancing the user experience. So this is all about AJAX support in jQuery. And effects and animations. jQuery's animation capabilities and effect like fade, slide, and hide make it a popular choice for creating visually engaging web applications. So jQuery is a capable of effects like fade, slide, and hide, make it a popular choice for creating visually engaging web applications. Cross-browser compatibility. jQuery's robust support for cross-browser compatibility ensures that web applications work consistently across different browsers and platforms, which is crucial for a wide audience. So it's a cross-browser compatibility. So which means you can, by using jQuery, if you build any web applications, so that you can use in any platforms, like in any different browsers or in any different platforms, which is crucial for the wide audience. So that is the point. See, jQuery robust support for cross-browser compatibility ensure that web applications work consistently across different browsers and platforms. Cross-browser compatibility. In any browser, you can use it. Like the application will set up in the form of a browser, a mobile phone browser or laptop browser or in any other platforms. Based upon the system, it will be modified into that system. That is all about cross-browser compatibility. Community support. The active and large community of jQuery users and developers provides valuable resources, including documentation, tutorials, and forums, which can be beneficial for both beginners and experienced developers. So, community support means like there is a community which supports the jQuery, like updating the documentation and tutorials and forums, which can helpful for the beginners and the developers, experienced developers. Legacy code maintenance. Many old web applications still use jQuery. Many old web applications still use jQuery. So learning it is an essential for maintaining and updating these legacy code bases. So jQuery is used in the older web applications. So if you learn jQuery, you can update those web applications and maintain those applications in this legacy code bases. I hope you understand. Still, some people are using jQuery for the older web application. To maintain and update these legacy code bases, we have to learn jQuery. Understanding legacy code. Familiarity with jQuery can help developers understand and work with legacy code, which is still prevalent in many projects. Efficiency and productivity. jQuery, concise syntax, and extensive library of functions can significantly enhance the efficiency and productivity of web development tasks. So jQuery, concise syntax, and extensive library of functions can significantly enhance the efficiency and productivity of web development tasks. So it's a concise syntax and extensive library. So the jQuery has concise syntax and extensive library of functions can significantly enhance the efficiency and productivity of web development tasks. I hope you understand. So jQuery has a concise syntax and an extensive library, which helps in efficiency and productivity of web development tasks. Industry relevance. Despite some claims that jQuery is outdated, it remains widely used and supported, particularly in industries where legacy code maintenance is common, such as WordPress development. So some people told like jQuery is outdated, but some legacy code is there, like older web applications. It should have maintenance, right? So to do maintenance, we have to learn jQuery, such as WordPress development. It is an example. It's an older web application, WordPress development. So this is all about why we have to learn jQuery, how important it is in the present scenario. So that's it, friends. If you have any doubts in this class, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And please, if you like this video, please like the video and please share it to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification whenever I upload videos on the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.